I have been excited and anticipating this package for longer than I can remember now. Let's open it up. I initially ordered this back when you could actually order them through PlayStation, and it was $64, and my order got canceled due to limited amounts. So then I gave in and I ordered it on Amazon for I think $70. I waited, I don't even know, it felt like 6 months, and it then got canceled. So I gave it and paid $90 for the official Astro's Playroom Astrobot from Astrobot Rescue Mission. I say Astrobot Rescue Mission, and that's a VR game. If some of you show up here because you searched this item and you found this video, you might be here because Astro's Playroom is a PS5 game that came with the console to show off what it could do. I know that you really shouldn't open things like this, but I'm not a collector. Goodbye, Quest.
Father help!
I'm not a collector. I'm not trying to keep this thing in mint condition. I'm gonna put this on my shelf, so we'll at least try, obviously, to be safe and use the small, sharp unboxing knife so that we don't do any damage to the box. But unfortunately, if you are interested in one of these and you want one, they're still available on Amazon at $90, which is like 50% more than the original price. But I imagine one day they're gonna be a lot more than that, especially if we get more Astrobot games coming out. Oh, yes, this was a PS5 game, but to me, this is a VR game that has now entered the real world. Gentle. You got Astro there. Astrobot has very expressive and cute facial expressions. Oh boy, this box is so loud. I'm trying to take things out gently. So you have the option to swap out different faceplates of his. If you played the PS5 game, of course, you're gonna recognize these things more. These were like the battery cell things that you pull out of all the different spots inside of the game. We got Astro's more grabby hands here in case we wanna swap out to his actual little fingertip hands. I'll probably do that. We've got a foot with a hole in it. That's so if in case you want to use the included little stand here. We'll set all this up and show it all off to you. Pretty excited. It feels a little weird to be buying toys at my age, but what can you do?
But it's a sacrifice I am willing to make.
So of course, when you jump and then you press the jump button again, Astro's little jets fly out. Oh gosh, I have to disassemble them to get all the plastic crap off they put on here. So we'll go ahead and switch to this foot. Oh boy. It feels good quality. It feels like when you go to move everything, it's solid. I'm a little scared. I don't want to break anything. I think I want to use his open claw grabber hands anyways. I don't see exactly how to just swap that. I guess I can just take the tip. We'll just put the tip in there.
But it's fine, right? I mean, nothing bad's ever happened from just the tips.
No.
Faceplate. Faceplate came loose, but just pushed it right in. It seems like that's okay. Look at him. He's coming to life already. Now I just have to figure out how to pull this together. There's probably instructions somewhere in the box. I didn't even look. Okay, I give in. I'm gonna find the instructions. Give me just a minute. Kind of shove that right in Astro's butt. That's kind of weird. Thought it would like hook up to his back somewhere, but nope, just right in the butt.
In your butt.
So that way, if you want to display him on his little stand where he's in mid-jump, mid-floating there, that's what he's gonna look like. You got the PlayStation coins with the PlayStation symbols you collect. I guess you can create a whole little action scene here. There he is flying. I think just so people would obviously recognize what it is, I'd put it out that way with the little PlayStation symbol there. This is pretty neat. It's a lot of little bits, so I guess you could put it different ways. I mean, me personally, I would probably just set it up one way and leave it like that. You tell me what all this other random nonsense is. Is this his cape? Oh God, does his head come off? Okay. That is a little nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, that looks right now, seeing his cape on him though. It's cool, but it comes with a lot of little parts. This is obviously not meant for children. I'm just worried about losing all these little parts, to be honest. They advertise as Astro's Playroom, of course, because more people know Astro's Playroom than Astrobot Rescue Mission, but you know us here. We're all about VR. That's what I care about. Astrobot on his throne. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited. Between this now, Mr. Task sending us the real life Beat Saber blocks. Now I just need something from like Farpoint, some real physical, real world item from that game. And I would have some of my favorite VR games goods in real life. What do you think out there? Did you play Astrobot Rescue Mission? Did you play Astro's Playroom? Did you love that? I definitely think Astro's Playroom on PS5 was good, but it's nothing like playing VR. So I really, really hope that there's something new Astrobot coming to PSVR 2 soon. But let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for coming out and being here. And I will see you in another reality. You're going on my little shelf, buddy.